Loan to value, what's it all about? Well, the loan to value is predominantly how a lender assesses the mortgageability or lending ability of a property. But let's look at it in a little bit more detail. So LTV, what does it mean? Put very simply, it's the amount of outstanding capital of a loan or other financing against the property over the value of that property. So when I say other financing, traditionally you would have a buy-to-let mortgage, but this could be some sort of refurbishment financing, some sort of joint venture financing, or some sort of private financing. Many landlords have private financing in place. This is expressed as a percentage. So let's consider property A. This cost the owner £200,000. He put a deposit down of £20,000, took a standard buy-to-let mortgage of £180,000. The property is currently worth £250,000 with a mortgage APR rate of 3.5%, which is annual percentage rate. And for the purpose of this set of slides, we're going to assume that this 3.5% is fixed for the duration of the loan. So calculation of loan to value is very simple. It's outstanding capital divided by current value times 100% expressed as a percentage. So for property A, that's 180,000 divided by 250,000 being the current market value times 100, which gives us a loan to value of 72%. It's interesting that if you look at what the loan to value was at the point of purchase, which was 180 divided by 200,000, we end up with a loan to value of 90%. So we can see that over the years the property has increased in value, and the loan to value has effectively reduced. Lenders now may perceive this property as less risk. So lenders use the loan to value to build risk into the mortgage. In effect, the higher the loan to value, the more risk the lender perceives there is with this mortgage or this lending, and they generally charge a higher percentage rate, higher interest rate, and possibly associated fees like an application fee or a product fee, which you quite often see quoted. Now, that is a very, very simple view of loan to value, but loan to value shouldn't confuse you. It is very simple. It's very simple to calculate, and therefore you should be able to get to a loan to value for the borrowing on your particular property. Remember, the contents of the video you've just watched does not constitute advice. It's my opinion and my reading of the subject matter that I've been discussing. If you like what you heard, of course, feel free to subscribe. Somewhere, either here or here, will be a subscription button. Click the subscription button and you'll be notified when videos are posted to the channel. Somewhere here or here will also be recent videos from the channel and maybe other videos relating to this subject matter. I look forward to you subscribing and joining me on my journey and your journey as an accidental landlord.